Hello guys, don't know if you have the WonderMesh primitive add-on. This is a really great add-on. You can have it on the Blender Market. And with this one you can, for example, select add an object, move it, make a rotation, a scale, etc. And you can edit it like this, like this, add subdivisions, like this, etc, etc. So as you can see, this is really nice. You can continue to make a scale, you can continue to edit it, as you can see. Once you are happy with this, you can convert the mesh, and now this is a regular mesh. So you have some great primitives, as you can see, and this is really useful to work on Blender, because the primitive on Blender cannot be edited after removing them. This is really bad. Everybody hate that. So, I added option for this add-on. I haven't incorporated this add-on. You need this add-on to have the option here. If you don't have the add-on, you will not have this. I added some options like usual for my pie menu. Click add, shift on selection, control on the mouse, alt show the wire, and Control-Shift add a mirror. For example, if you have an object, you want to create this one, Control-Shift, yep, you will have this result, and you will be able to edit the object, like this. Okay, you can make it on your mouse, like this, and with Alt, you can make Control-Alt, for example, hop, like this. Or on a grid, you can do this, and you can edit the subdivision like this. I added this one to work in full screen. You have directly in a pop-up the option you have here. So you can add an object, like this one, you can edit it like this, as you want, and you can convert it if you want. And if you want to convert it directly, you just have to convert. If you have a normal object, you will not have the option to convert or to edit. You have to add another object like this one to have the options. And as you can see, this is really nice, and this add-on is really great. Up. Like this. So I added some other option for now on the RMB Pie menu. I will not update it now, because I have some tools I want to add. But right now, if you have some parented object like this, I will parent this like this. Up. You will have the possibility now to select the hierarchy. Alt, that will select all the hierarchy, and you will be able to move your object, as you can see. Up. And if you press Alt-Shift, that will select only the parent. For example, I will select this, and I will make Alt-Shift. That will select only the parent, and I will be able to edit it. If one object has no parent, that will select it directly. So as you can see, this is great. I have something else. I will select this. Hopla. I will do this. I will do this, etc, etc. So you can select a loop. You have now equalize edge. I will select a ring, and you have some options. Click to active, shift to longest, control to shortest, alt to average. And if I press alt, I will have this result. And you need one add-on to do this. I added this in the preferences. RMB, like this. Up. Set equal edge length. You will be able to download it. It's free, so don't hesitate. And like this, you can up, not this one. Up. Yep, I have some difficulties. Up. That's it. This is really nice. For example, if I select this, I will click. I will have this result. That will be on the active. If I make on the active, click, That's it. So as you can see, this is really nice. I have maybe someone asked me to add options for the loop tools to, for example, on deflatten. If you have one object, I will do this. Yep, that this. If you have one object, you can with press Shift 7, you will be directly like this, and if you press flatten, you will have the possibility to make it view, and that will flatten on the view. So I will think about make some option like this with Control Shift Alt as usual. And I have something else too. I will move this. Yep. On my I have some options like the knult. The knult that will be visible on which one? Up. For example, if I do this, up. If I select this, for example, I have some option knult like this. I can edit, etc., etc. I have the parent asset to parent on an object. Hop, là. No, this one. I can create a name, I can choose empty, I can make the parent on the selection or on the center of the scene, I can place it. I will make on the selection, I will place it, and that's it. I will have my object parented with the name of my object, etc., etc. This one is not, all of this is not finished. It's still in work in progress. I have this one. I would like to make an align, a better align, and this one is really simple. For example, if I select this, I will, as you can see, click align to X, like this. That will align. Yopla. If I undo this, hop. Align to X, like this. If I press Shift to Y, etc. Alt, that will select the loops, like this. Alt click, and Alt Control or Alt or Control directement, etc., etc. This is really nice. I can select this. I can select Alt Shift, and that's it. So I will try to make something useful for this. I have my custom orientation too. This one, for example, if I add one object, I will make a rotation. I will apply. I will select this one, and I will make a custom rotation. If I go here, as you can see, now if I press Alt R, my object has a good orientation. I will restart it to make to show you. I have this one. I will press Shift to apply and to keep the origin. As you can see, if I press Alt R, my object is in rotation to 0. I will select this face. I will make a custom copy custom orientation. Hop, and that's it. My object, as you can see, I just have to press Alt R. And if normally I have some options, as you can see. Copy orientation, pivot and selection, pivot at center, etc., etc. Donc I will try one to show you. Hop. Long time I did this, I don't remember the options. So I select this one. Copy orientation, pivot and selection, and pivot at center with Shift. Poof. I will have the pivot on the center of my object. I will apply it. I will select this. Clear, Control, Alt, clear location. I can do, for example, Control, Alt, boom, and I will have my object directly placed on the scene. And this one I don't have option to make this. What else I have? I have a lot of different code. I'm working on it. This is fun. I have my welder. This one is not finished yet. It's a welder with option. You can edit, etc., etc. And as you can see, this works nice. I have, Yep, I will select this, Shift D, Shift D. I have this, I will make Smart Weld. Boom! I will add this result, Control T to rotate. And as you can see the result, this is very nice. So what else I have? I have a decimate loop. I don't remember what this one do. Decimate loop. Up, I will select this one. Up. No. I don't remember what this one do. Fun. I have other codes, edit curve. For example, I will extract this. Up. As you can see, I have this. If I press, this one should be okay. If I press this, I can simplify with add space to space the point. For example, if I press W subdivide, I will select everything, click, simplify, and poof, as you can see, I will have something better, and I can subdivide, poof, like this. It's not finished. I have some option I can edit, etc, etc, etc. It's not finished. And the decimate loop, what is this one? Yopla. I don't remember. Too fun. Up. Decimate loop. No, I don't remember what this one do. I will look at the code. So that's it for this little update on my RMBPy menu. I will finish those codes to make it to add it. Maybe I can, if you want, upload this one with WonderMesh and the option I did. I forgot one. I changed this. Previously we had three buttons. Now we have only one. Click, that will make a space. I will select this one. Click, that will make a space. Shift click, that will align. Up. And control click, that will align and make space. So as you can see, this is nice and useful. I don't know if that will work like this. No. Maybe I can select this. I will select select my ring. No, my loop. Select loop, and I will press Control. No. Okay, that's it. So that's it. I have this one. This one is finished. I have to add it. So I will add it directly on the Pi menu in edit mode, of course. Don't know where. Maybe here. I have too much options, too much buttons. Bye bye.